A lot of people ask me, how do I set goals for my clients in the gym? So a great way is to look at the 10 buckets of exercise that we cover in our live courses. So check out our live courses if you haven't been to one at clinicgymhybrid.com. But in the live courses, we talk about these 10 buckets of exercise. So bilateral hip hinge, right? Unilateral hip hinge, split stance squat, and then bilateral squatting motion. And those are 4 of them, and there's a total of 10. In each of those, you can assess where somebody is at the beginning of their membership. But that becomes a little bit of work, I'll tell you from experience. It becomes a little bit of work. So what I found, a quick and dirty way to do it, and this is simplified, is to always have a whiteboard. So I don't have a whiteboard here. I'm in a hotel gym. I'm just using this mirror, but you could use anywhere where you can write down numbers. And you tell the group that's working out that day, hey, today we're gonna record our weight. We wanna set a PR for one exercise. And today's exercise is the goblet squat, right? So you write down everybody's name, and you say, I want you to work up towards a PR or personal record or personal best in that goblet squat. What you want them to do is really try and reach, and you want them to kind of stretch themselves a little bit to get that number. And so set a repetition number goal for them as well. Say, I want to see your PR for 3 reps of goblet squat. Now the reason you do that is 1 rep is dangerous. Getting it to 3 reps or 5 reps kind of keeps them in a safer range, right? And then when they complete it, I want to write their name here. So I'd write Stacy, 52 kilos times 5. And I'm just gonna write that up there and circle it. Well, if you do this, by the end of the day, you'll end up having, for all your classes, a lot of names up there and a lot of people who have really stretched. Take a picture of it at the end of the day and then post it up on your social media and say, congratulations to all our people who hit a PR today. So circle their highest number, and if it's a PR, you put a box around that to say, this is a PR. Also, if you wanna really kind of jazz this up, you can mount a bell up on the wall, and in our gym, we had a bell mounted. You hit a PR, one of those days you got to ring the bell. Just a way to let everybody know that you did something amazing and you hit that PR. You'll be shocked at how people will plateau, boom, leapfrog in their weights or in their PRs. It's crazy, so harness it, but only focus on one PR for that day. Just one exercise you want them really reaching for, and certainly you don't need to do this every day. But there's nothing more powerful than writing all those names up on a whiteboard or a mirror or a piece of paper and putting it on the wall for the entire membership to see. So that's one more tip that we have at our live events. Join us sometime. Check out our website, clinicgymhybrid.com, and you can see the live event schedule there. Thanks so much for checking out these videos. I hope they're useful. We'll cover things like rehab, exercise, business model, progressions, layout, everything else that helps you build a clinic. So if you're interested, you can click here, there, here, or anywhere to get more videos just like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you soon.